Hello friends, how are you? Let me share something in respect of one judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. Vinod Kumar Garg versus State and City of Delhi, citation 2022 SCC 88. Important paragraphs 18, 19 and 20. Section involved section 7, 13, 17, 19 and 20. This is the judgment under Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, Criminal Appeal number 1781 of 2009, which was decided on 27 November 2019 by Honorable Supreme Court. The appellant, that is Mr. Vinod Kumar Garg, was convicted by the Honorable Trial Court Special Judge under Section 7 and 9 of the Act. Challenging that order, he went to before the High Court of Delhi. High Court of Delhi upholds the judgment of Trial Court. Subsequently, he went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court delivered this judgment. So let me discuss it. The brief fact is, the complainant was in need of electricity, so he went to electricity office. Mr. Garg was there. He asked for bribe of 2000 rupees and Mr. Complainant denied. Subsequently, Mr. Complainant said that he was ready to pay the money of the amount of bribe in installment of 500 rupees. And the fact thereafter, the complainant went to anti-corruption office. Subsequently, the raid was made and the appellant herein, Mr. Garg, was caught. This is the brief fact. Now, the law involved in this section, in this judgment is, before I discuss the law involved in this judgment, let me say that the appellant herein, that is herein means before Honorable Supreme Court, had taken the defense of two issues. One issue is in respect of sanction order. Second issue is the validity of investigation. Honorable Supreme Court has answered in detail of these two issues in para number 18, para number 19 and 20. Let me read the crux of para number 20. I am not reading the entire 18, 20, 19 and 20 paragraphs. But however, those three paragraphs are very important. But to cut short my video, let me read this paragraph 20. In paragraph number 20, Honorable Supreme Court has referred the earlier judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in case Ashok Sher Singh Bhutia versus State of Sikkim 2011 4 SCC 402, wherein it was observed by Honorable Supreme Court that a defect or irregularity in investigation, however serious, would have no direct bearing on the competence or procedure relating to the cognizance of trial, where the cognizance of case has already been taken and the case has proceeded to termination. The invalidity of the precedent investigation does not vitiate the result unless caused a miscarriage of justice. Similar in the position with regard to the validity of sanction, a mere error, omission or irregularity in sanction is not considered to be fatal unless it has resulted in a failure of justice or has been occasioned thereby. Section 19 subclause 1 of the Act is matter of procedure, and does not go to the root of the jurisdiction, and once the cognizance has been taken by the court under the code, it cannot be said that an invalid police report is the foundation of the jurisdiction of the court to take cognizance and, for that matter, the trial. Having observed this by Honorable Supreme Court in para number 28, the appeal of the appellant was dismissed. So, after considering this judgment, the principle laid down by Honorable Supreme Court is that the defect or irregularity in investigation, does not vitiate the trial or the outcome of the trial. Second, irregularity on sanction is not considered fatal. Third, Section 19 subclause 1 of the Act is mere procedure and it cannot be the root of the jurisdiction. Invalid report of the police cannot be the foundation of the jurisdiction when the court has already taken the cognizance under CRPC. This is the principle laid down by Honorable Supreme Court in this case. Thank you very much. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video. Please subscribe my channel. The motto of this channel is nothing but to share the knowledge of laws. Thank you very much.